The iPhone 18 Pro Max is already making headlines, and these 6 major leaks just changed everything. If you thought the iPhone 17 Pro Max was impressive, wait until you see what Apple is cooking up next. This upcoming flagship is rumored to bring upgrades so big they might make the 17 feel like old news. And trust me, you'll want to stick around till the end, because one of these leaks could redefine what an iPhone can actually do. So let's get straight to it. Early concept renders of the iPhone 18 Pro Max show a sleeker design, a smaller dynamic island, and something totally unexpected, a translucent back that lets you peek inside the phone. Think modern design meets classic Apple nostalgia, kind of like the old iMac G3 vibes, but futuristic. And if you just bought the iPhone 17 Pro Max, don't panic yet. You might still love your phone, but what's coming next might just tempt you to upgrade again. Even though the iPhone 17 and iPhone Air have just hit the market, Apple's already deep into development for the iPhone 18 lineup. Insiders are calling it one of the biggest leaps Apple's made in years. We're talking new camera hardware, a revolutionary 2-nanometer processor, redesigned glass, and a completely re-engineered Face ID system. Apple's long been known to work years ahead, just like they developed the iPad before the iPhone and worked on the Vision Pro for nearly a decade before it launched. So yeah, the iPhone 18 leaks are coming early because Apple's next-generation devices are already in motion. Now, let's talk about the first major upgrade everyone's buzzing about, the dynamic island. Leaks say Apple's finally shrinking it down, making it nearly 1/3 of its current size. The reason? Advancements in third-generation Face ID technology. Smaller sensors mean more screen space, less visual clutter, and a cleaner display experience. It's not completely invisible yet, so don't expect an under-display selfie camera this year. But it's a big visual change that'll make the iPhone 18 Pro Max stand out from the 17. Next up, the back design. Apple might introduce a slightly translucent rear glass, letting you see subtle details like the MagSafe coil beneath the surface. It's not fully see-through, but just enough to give that futuristic, premium look while keeping it sleek. Imagine holding your iPhone and being able to see a soft glow of its internal parts. That's a serious design flex. The third leak focuses on the physical controls, specifically the new camera control button. First seen in the iPhone 16 lineup, it's reportedly being refined for professional photographers. The updated button could allow smoother zoom, better tactile feedback, or even manual camera controls. It's Apple's way of giving content creators and photographers more control straight from the hardware, no third-party accessories needed. Now for what's probably the most exciting part, the camera system itself. Subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos.